In today's video, we're reviewing the brand new 8-case drone bag right now. What's going on, guys? It has been a minute since I have posted a video. So in today's video, we're reviewing the brand new 8-case drone bag. This is the drone bag I've had for about 3 months now. It holds my Phantom and all of its accessories, so no matter where I go, I can carry it on the go. It's also a backpack and has room for a computer or a laptop. So let's look at this more in depth. Okay, this is the 8-case drone bag. Let's go over some of what's inside it. So you have 2 compartments here. You have a compartment on either side, a top compartment, a main compartment. It has a rain cover, and back here you have your laptop cover or bladder cover. Let's start with these 2 compartments. These 2 compartments are good. They can hold like this. My memory card holder holds all my memory cards, all my stuff. They're nice and deep. They can hold essentially anything. They're awesome. Now in this compartment, I keep filters. You gotta have ND filters if you fly drones. There's 2 of these compartments. They are identical. These compartments I use actually a whole ton to hold stuff. If I didn't have these, my drone bag would be much more messy. Just helps keep everything nice and neat and clean. Now, we also have this rain cover. This is a rain cover. It goes over the bag. Just helps keep everything nice and dry if you're hiking in rainy weather. Now, these 2 side pockets, you can carry little dongles and accessories and all that sort of stuff. There's a side pocket here. And there's a side pocket on this side. And this side, I used to carry memory cards. Right now it doesn't have anything in it. I sometimes carry documentation if I need to. Now, in this top compartment, this is where the controller, whatever else you want to house is. So right now I have my controller and, gotta always have your candy. But this is my controller, I got my thing. In this, there's this little mesh compartment that's waterproof. I house my FAA number and everything, and my multi-charger in here. Again, I'll go more into depth of what we have in this drone bag in another video. I don't want to go too in depth here. You have this back pocket, you have another pocket, you can keep manuals, stuff like that. I also have a battery pack in here if you need it. So all of that stuff aside, that's the back compartment. And back here we have a laptop compartment. So right here we have our laptop compartment. Very nice, big, and open, so you can stick a laptop or a bladder in there. It's really awesome for sticking something in there. I love to carry a laptop when I'm around, when hiking, so I can just transfer footage and stuff like that. Now, to the main compartment. The main compartment has these 4 buckles. There's 2 buckles on either side, a big buckle and a small buckle. Helps keep everything contained. You undo these 2 zippers, this flap flops open, and this stuff, take all the way back here, these side pockets come open so you can access. So on either side you have 2 side pockets. They're designed for carrying accessories or chargers, so I carry my charger, some other accessories here. And you have 2 battery compartments, so you could hold a total of 3 batteries here, and I've seen people hold 2 batteries in each of these. I throw my propellers in here, and the drone fits very nicely. It's hidden and tucked away in this. I wish it was a little more sturdy down here, but it works well. And there's a nice little strap here to velcro over to keep everything nice and tight. That is really most of the drone bag. Now, let's zip it all back up. And on the other side of the drone bag, it's a hiking backpack. It has this nice memory foam in here to keep it. It has a waist belt. It does not have a chest belt, which I would like to see. And also one thing I don't get is it does not have any water bottle holders whatsoever, which is kind of a big downside. You have to put your water bottles in the main compartment where your controller goes. It is not the most comfortable to hike with, but it gets the job done. I wish to see maybe this laptop compartment disappear and put the bladder compartment in here so you can have a water bladder integrated like that. That would be absolutely awesome. But for the price of this at 84 bucks, it's really an awesome drone bag, and it gets the job done very well. Again, I'll leave a link to this drone bag down in the description below. It really helps me out if you guys buy it from through there. I get an extra few cents, helps keep this channel going. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.